Fries are an absolute favorite. Well, today let's give them a makeover, which is sweet and spicy. Well, sweet with honey and spicy with chili. Today, let's make honey chili potato, of course with using McCain French fries. Well, take as many as you require and the remaining go back in the freezer. The next thing, of course, is to add in just a touch of salt. You can add in some chili flakes, but in this case, some chili powder to kind of spike it a little. Just a clove of garlic which has been minced very finely. And to make these fries extra crisp, I'm adding in some corn flour or corn starch. Let's give this a quick toss. Well, these are wonderfully fried, golden brown, absolutely crisp and delicious, and just in 3 minutes. For the sauce, I'm of course going to take a few multiple ingredients and combine them in a bowl to begin with. The first thing is the goodness and sweetness of honey. I'm following this up with chili sauce. To make it nice and tangy, I'm adding in vinegar along with this cornstarch to of course thicken the sauce. Mix this well till it's absolutely lump-free. The next step is to heat a wok on high flame, and to this I'm adding in just a touch of oil, some dried red chilies, garlic, and with this I'm adding in sesame seeds which are untoasted, and at this stage they'll kind of get toasted. Once you see that the sesame kind of starts popping, I'm going to add in the slurry or the remaining of the sauce mix. A quick stir and boil this on high flame for 30 to 40 seconds or till the cornstarch gets cooked completely and the sauce becomes nice and sticky.